In front of me is Motorola One Macro, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on the following device. So if you would like to turn off those icons and have just one button navigation bar, just open the settings, then find and select Moto, it's right here, go to Moto Actions, and here you will notice one button navigation. So just click here, and as you can see it disappeared, and you can navigate through your phone using just one button, just like that. And as you can see it disappeared. Then whenever you would like to activate three buttons again, just open the settings and then go to Motorola Actions, click on the same switcher, and as you can see now you've got back the three buttons. And this is it, this is how you can personalize navigation bar. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.